Hi guys, my name is Eva. Welcome to my channel. Are you ready for a new yoga workout? Change into sport wear. Strong spirit in a strong body. Don't forget about this. Exercise for our body like a food for us. So let's start.
Camel stretch pose. Get on your knees, try to put your hand on your heels and hold this pose. Keep your head straight or bent. At the end, we sit down on knees. Repeat several times. Third, the last pose for today is butterfly rest. Lie down completely, legs bent at the knees so that the feet touch each other. Move your knees up and down and breathe. Do this workout to wake up in the morning or in the evening before bed to relax your muscles. First, shoulder bright pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, place your arms straight. Lift your pelvis up and try to hold the plank. We lie down, breathe deeply and repeat again. Second,
I also want to remind you about water. It's very important for our body. And if you want to know more about me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.